Hi, this is Chris with Ignite Studio, and I am here with Jeanette Pomeroy-Parsi, and we're going to be talking about the DIY for the month of November, which is Ema tags, and Jeanette will talk a little bit more about that as the video goes on. This is in conjunction with Season of Gratitude, which is held in November and December, and is a library program. So in Ignite, basically, we're going to have this on display from November 1st through December 21st, and you'll be able to add your own mark to our Ema board, which Jeanette is going to talk about. So Jeanette, why don't you show us a little bit about the project?
Okay. Well, the project is rooted in Japanese culture, and Emas are set up usually out in public spaces where people can come and take a tag. And in Japan, they're outside and made of wood, but we're inside and they're made of paper for this project. And they can illustrate and write their wishes on the back of the plaque.
Nice.
I've done one for that I'm going to hang on the board when it arrives at Ignite. And this one says, "Wishes for health in the new year." What I suggest to you is that you get a scrap piece of paper and you kind of doodle some ideas first. For example, just draw little rectangles about the size of the pieces of paper that you'll get in your package. And I have a friend that's having a new baby in February, and I would like to send her some wishes. So I'll illustrate in this one a baby rattle, and on the back I might write, "Good wishes for your new arrival." I also really like to think about good things that can happen for the environment. And maybe I'll, I don't know, draw a little forest of trees and on the back say, "I wish for all humans to be good citizens."
So you've got an image on the front, and then you're writing sort of your wish on the back.
Correct.
Okay.
Or you can illustrate both sides and write your wishes in to your illustration as well. Everything is possible. You can do anything you want. You can use watercolor, acrylic paint, markers, colored pencils, crayons, monoprint, anything you want to do. This is nice heavy paper, and it will take any most wet media as well as dry media. Let's see. I might want to think, what do I want for the holidays? And I need a new blender. So maybe I'll draw a little blender on here and say on the back, "Please, someone give me a new blender." So anything is possible. So I'm going to take this little tag and I'm going to think, okay, which one do I want to do here? Let's go with the forest. So this is going to be a pretty quick, very basic, almost cartoony type illustration. And then I'm going to flip it over and write my words on the back. Wishes for all humans to be good global citizens. So come into Ignite anytime between November 1st and December 21st and pick up either a tag to take home, or you can do it in the studio, as I said, with any wet media or dry media, and any age. If you can hold a pencil, go ahead and create. And then add it, hang it on the wishing board. At the end of the project, we'll gather all the wishes together and scan them into a digital book that will be available to view at the library. So that's what we've got going on for November.
Wonderful. Thanks, Jeanette. So yeah, as Jeanette mentioned, you can use different media with this paper, and if you can, when you're in Ignite, check out one of our kits. So we have watercolor kits, acrylic painting, we have monoprinting kits, we have calligraphy kits if you wanted to write something in calligraphy on the back. That would work really well. and then you'll be able to hang it on the board as you are there. If not, certainly anything you have at home will work as well. So we look forward to seeing you in Ignite, and we look forward to seeing your creations. Thanks.